So
Let's.
Film it again.
someone gave us.
No. Someone gave me.
It's not how it works.
I'll take one. Cool.
That's.
Red two.
No, I'm good. I'm doing that.
Leanne?
You gotta eat them all anyway, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, look, we just want to make sure that you do know that this is just a little precursor episode, and you might not like, you might want to turn off, but you don't want to turn off. I'm telling you, you want to watch all of this episode because we've got some very interesting stuff happening, like Shane eating small fucking red chilled chocolates. So,
Yeah, that's not going to keep them on, bro.
That's not horrible, is it? If that doesn't. Anyway, no, we do have some very exciting news at the end of the episode that you'll want to hear. Even if you skip through to it, it won't be the same. Anyway.
Should I do a backflip to like retain viewers?
Huh?
Should I do like a backflip?
Not on premises.
Nah.
Okay.
I was going to go though, and here's Billiam.
Hello.
And here's Billiam's theme song.
Okay, Tuesday, March 24th, we're going to see if we can do the 200 schnitzels in this tiny little kitchen. I kid you not. And when I say tiny, it is it is less than 3 meters long and less than 3 wide. It is the smallest kitchen in the world. Can this tiny little kitchen with this really fucked up fryer that will break down, I guarantee it has to, just to annoy me, will it be able to do 200 schnitzels? God knows. As some of you, or most of you will know, this year we're celebrating 10 years of The Last Chance. And a big part of that is the Tuesday night family dinner, which is $10. There's a couple of different things we're gonna do. We're gonna have the Last Chance schnitzel record in a service. With the current record's about 160, I think, 170, somewhere around there.
And that's why it involves you at home. You should
Everyone
definitely come in.
We're also going to be having a little schnitzel eating competition. Okay, so one of the things that we want to do today is we want to find out from you what you want this schnitzel challenge to be. Is there a sauce preference? Is there a time? Should it be untimed? Should it just be based on?
Should it just be meat?
Should it just be meat? I don't think it should be just be meat.
You need sides.
You need sides.
That's the rules.
But that's my personal
You're
opinion.
not getting anyone to do 4 with sides. That's ridiculous. You're not doing that.
It's just like, it's a challenge,
rules.
Bill. We've got
That's
a challenge.
not
And more
possible.
importantly, we want the input of all
We want the
people
input of
watching.
what you do, and then we are going to have a challenger next week, Rise, and I've got confidence that they may do it.
And we've got
And
we've
we
got
want,
plans.
so we've got plans. We want to make this a thing that people can come in and do. So look,
Especially you people.
yeah. So look, we've been doing this for 10 years now. We started at $8 on the schnitzels. We're now at 10.
And there used to be like,
But-
how many people would come in?
Like 20, if we were lucky.
This is not like when the kebab shop says that they're doing $10 for chips and like a kebab, and the kebab is just like 5 strands of lettuce, and like they kind of like give you a bit of like fat like off the meat. No, this isn't. It's an actual schnitzel.
That's a good
It's
schnitzel.
a good schnitzel.
It's too good to be true.
Yeah.
That's why I keep coming. It's too good to be true.
But yeah, we want you to come down. We want you to be involved, everyone to be involved in this. We want you to keep coming because it's almost winter and we need those Tuesday nights to pop. But yeah, it's going to be a challenge for the kitchen because it's hard.
They go down.
Yeah, but we're going to have lots of things, interactive events.
Yeah, right.
You can get on, and you can get on Better Totes and Gardens because we will be filming this episode.
Yeah, it's gonna be the countdown. Do we do it? Do we not do it?
I think we worked it out. It's like a schnitzel a minute. We need to do 1.3 schnitzels per minute or something. We have to serve.
Schnitzel any percent speed run, mate.
Yeah, yeah.
Schnitzel speed run.
Yeah, it is going to be a schnitzel speed run, but we can do that in service. Usually we do about a 3-hour service. So we'll start at 5 p.m. Now remember, we don't want you to get upset if we run out of food.
Leanne's going to be running around doing box pops.
Yeah, she's going to be talking to people.
As you can tell, we've definitely told Leanne about
Yeah, we
this.
told Leanne everything.
Yeah,
Going talking to people like,
but anyway.
because there's a lot of people that come every week, like the infamous Tassies, who are some of our favourite people.
They are some of our favourite people in the world.
Yeah, and we've got heaps of people that are pretty regular, and some come in and out. Some might just come once a month and then you see them again, but we've got people that come weekly. It's a big community event, usually at Tuesdays.
Tuesdays is our favourite day of the week.
It is. It is. So, yeah, look, come down, get a schnitzel.
Be a part of Better
watch
Totes and
Bill.
Gardens.
Yeah.
Actually,
watch
it's
Bill.
probably the first time we've actually invited the viewership down
To do
be
something.
a part of something.
Yeah.
So come down and see
And
if we can
it'll
do it.
literally cost you $10 for a night out because Bill's gig is free.
Yeah.
And let's talk to Bill about the gig. Who's going to be playing with you, Bill?
LXRP, who are a new trio who sound like if Henge Beat by Total Control had a sequel. They are fucking fantastic. I reckon they're the best, most underrated new band, and they are going to blow up. So say you saw them for free at Last Chance with a $10 dinner.
That's right.
It's pretty good.
And I also, you want to get into, you want to keep a surprise for Tuesday night because you've got some surprises.
Yeah,
I've
I've got some schemes I'm planning.
Scheme.
I've got schemes. I've got a 20-inch monitor that I'm trying to figure out if I can synchronize with my set, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, there's a single coming out. There'll be some things over there on the merch desk.
Yeah, and trust me, I know what's going to be on that merch desk. You might want to bring some extra money because it's a definite good buy.
Yeah, it's a good investment.
Yeah, it's a good investment.
As Spider says, record collectors are potential millionaires.
Yeah, true. Yeah, no, I know what he's selling and you want to buy it. Like, you might want to buy that before you buy your schnitzel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be very cool. So,
Good
look,
scenes.
Bill, and I think this is the first official Tuesday night gig we've had, and we're absolutely over the moon that it's Bill because he's literally one of our. He was the first person we thought of.
Oh God, I don't know what that says about me.
No, it was just
Again,
like
I'm not going to take my
Yeah.
pants off on the internet.
Yeah.
But yeah, like I'm not going to take my pants off on the internet to show the tattoo, but like the first tattoo I ever got was during one of the fundraisers, and it is a tattoo that literally just says Last Chance Tuesday, and I sat like a little baby the whole time. I've gotten multiple other tattoos since then, and none of them have hurt as much as that. And I was told that the leg was the least painful part, and that was a fucking lie.
No, that's a lie, Bill.
Yeah,
That's why my
it's
leg.
straight
It's
up
a lie.
It's
The
ridiculous.
leg is the worst.
It sucks.
Thank you.
Oh, it's right there.
yeah. So yeah, because this is what our Tuesday nights are about. It's about young musicians, and
I'm not that young
He's
anymore.
not that young anymore, but when he did first, well, you were 18 or 17 when you first started coming.
I'm going to say 18 for the lawyers.
Thank you. Will it be able to do 200 schnitzels? God knows. But, yeah,
Find out.
you're going to find out. So make sure you come down, March 24th. Make sure you tune in and watch the episode to see if we do it, if you can't get down. And yeah, come see Bill. Billiam will be playing live. Leanne will be talking to you live on for Better Totes and Gardens. Joey and I will be hassling one another in the kitchen.
I'll be jamming cameras in your face if you want to be on it.
That's it. So come down, meet everyone, say hello, and just see what we can do in this tiny little kitchen. Because it's tiny. Better Totes and Gardens.
Be there. Wait, you at home, you should
Everyone
definitely
coming
come in.
You're literally losing money not getting the schnitzel. You're losing money.
Well, I'm
losing
I'm
money.
losing
They're
money.
losing,
But
like
also-
emotionally they're losing money.
Yeah,
I
emotionally.
can't cook tea at home for $10. Like a proper tea that you get.
No, you can't.
And these are massive.